Today we are going to discuss a case of Norwood grade 2. So here you can see the hairline marking which we have done. Hairline after hair transplantation. So if you see the 7th month photograph and if you see his profile, you will be able to appreciate the tufts of the small minor tufts of the hair which are created. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Richa Sambukhani, dermatologist, cosmetologist and hair transplant surgeon at Hair Free and Hair Grow, Ahmedabad Center. Today we are going to discuss a case of Norwood grade 2. That means there is a hairline recession in this case. The temporal angles are still preserved. And how do we proceed in such a case? And we have followed an advanced technique for this patient, which is our patented technique and which gives results very much near to the natural. How are we going to proceed in this case? Let us see through the case study. As you can see in the pre-pictures, he has got a frontal recession and his temples are still preserved. So in this case, we are going just for the hairline correction, but we are going to use the instruments to give him a near to natural hairline. There won't be any cobblestoning of the hair, which is usually there in the basic technique. We are going to proceed with the FUE technique only, but our patented big FUE technique. So here you can see the hairline marking which we have done. We can take different shapes for the hairline. See, hairline is different from your hairstyle. So only when you're going to keep a shorter hairstyle, this kind of pattern will be visible. But if you're keeping a right side turning of your hair or a left side parting, then this hairline may or may not be appreciable. But we can decide upon the shape of this hairline during our hair transplantation consultation. If you see the hairline after hair transplantation, it is definitely zigzag, which I have made with a special instrument, and I have tried to make it as near to natural as possible, and we have given the maximum density possible because only a finger line area was there to fill and he had good quality grafts. So we have utilized those grafts, put it in a zigzag kind of fashion and completely filled that area as much as possible. So this is how it looks on day 2. So all the grafts which you see on the day of hair transplantation, they dried out. So you can see those black dot appearance, these scabs. So the patient has come for the dressing part, in which we remove the dressing from the transplanted area. On the 5th day, we call the patient for washing. So you can see the washing picture also. The washing is done to remove the scabs from the transplanted area. The patient follows the similar procedure at home for next 4 to 5 days, and then these scabs fall out. Then the shedding phase starts. 1 month shedding phase of this transplanted patient. In the basic technique, we have experienced a lot of shedding in the cases, but with the advanced technique, the shedding has reduced to almost 40% to 50%, and this is not complete shedding. You can appreciate fine hairs which are present in the transplanted area. So if you see the photograph of his 2nd month, his existing hair have definitely grown, but even in the transplanted area, you can appreciate the growth which has started coming because of this technique, that he has started growing his hair even in the 2nd month. Usually, this growth is appreciated in the 3rd month or in 3.5 months. Because of the advanced technique, the growth has started coming early, that we can expect the results also a little bit early. So this is his 3rd month result. So this is the kind of result earlier we used to see in 4th month or 5th month, but right now we have started getting these kind of result in 3rd month also. Now this is the 4th month photograph. Nobody can make out that this patient has gone for hair transplantation. He has got an absolutely natural looking hairline. He does his right parting or left parting. It is going to look absolutely natural. It's definitely not natural. So if you trim the hair, you will be able to appreciate the transplanted and non-transplanted. But this is very much near to the natural result. This is something which a patient expects if he is going for a higher technique or a big FUE technique. So this is his 5th month result. You can very well see the hairline which has come up very nicely. So now this hair will keep on growing. Even in 5th month, it looks like 7th month or 8th month. This is almost the complete result. But the hair will keep on growing. The density will improving by 10%, 20% every month. So if you see the 7th month photograph and if you see his profile, you will be able to appreciate the tufts of the small minor tufts of the hair which are created to give a natural looking hairline. This is deliberately made zigzag to give it a natural appearance, and this is the reason we are getting great results with our advanced techniques. There is no cobblestoning below the hair. He is the patient who has gone for hair transplantation some 10 years back or 15 years back. There is a pinpoint elevation of the skin just below the hair, which we are not getting at all now. So we are getting almost near to natural results. We are dedicated towards giving you the best kind of techniques so that you get better and better results in hair transplantation. Worried about the hair transplantation results, you can definitely trust us. Visit us in our centers. We'll be able to provide you with the best help possible. To see more such videos, please subscribe our channel and please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.